Okay, so I fell down a keycap rabbit hole last week, and I am not okay. If you've ever looked at your keyboard and thought, this thing has zero personality, I've got you. I dug through way too many listings, compared prices, checked reviews, and pulled together the 5 best anime character keycap and artisan sets I could actually find good deals on right now. Let's get into it. First up, the 130 key Kaneki Ken set from Tokyo Ghoul, and honestly, this one's the showstopper. It's PBT with a cherry profile, and the artwork wraps across the board in a way that makes your whole desk look like a piece of fan art. PBT means it won't go shiny and greasy after a few months of gaming, which is the thing cheap keycaps always get wrong. It's $145.98, which is the priciest pick on this list, but you're getting 130 keys, so it'll cover basically any layout you own. Nearly 5,000 sold with a 4.9 rating tells you people aren't sending these back. Next, the Reze set from Chainsaw Man, and this one's my personal favorite of the bunch. 123 keys, PBT, die sublimated legends, cherry profile. Die sub is the important part there, because the design is literally baked into the plastic instead of printed on top, so it will not fade or rub off. Ever. And at $95.16, you're getting a full themed set for a lot less than the Kaneki one. If you want that soft pink and red aesthetic without redoing your entire keyboard budget, this is the sweet spot. Now if you're not ready to commit to a whole set, check out this 2-piece cute cat keycap kit. It's just $39 and change, it fits Cherry MX switches, and it swaps onto your ESC key or wherever you want a little pop. This is the easiest, cheapest way to make a boring black keyboard feel like yours. Honestly, it's a great gift too. If you've got a friend who games and you have no idea what to get them, this is a $40 win. Almost 4,900 sold, 4.8 stars. Then there's the Kawaii White Cat Artisan Keycap, and this thing is a perfect 5.0 rating, which almost never happens. It's a single 3D sculpted PBT cap, a little cat sitting right there on your board, and the detail on it is genuinely impressive up close. At $42.88 it's not cheap for one key, but that's kind of the deal with artisan caps, you're paying for a tiny handmade sculpture. If you want one standout piece that makes people ask, wait, what is that? This is it. And last, something a little different, the retro Gamepad Artisan spacebar. It's a 6.25u ABS spacebar shaped like an old school controller, in black or white, and it fits standard MX switches. The spacebar is the biggest key on your board and nobody ever does anything with it, so this instantly makes your setup look custom. It's $65.07, 4.9 stars, and it pairs shockingly well with almost any keycap set because the retro look is pretty neutral. Great little upgrade. All 5 links are down in the description, and prices on these move around, so check before they change. If this helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe, I post stuff like this every week. Thanks for watching, and go make your keyboard weird.